Hello friends, this is a home decor channel and we always try to bring you some beautiful ideas, unique ideas and new ideas. And today we are bringing you some beautiful and unique ideas of decorating your front porch, as fall is always there and it's a season of warmth, beauty, romance, and coziness. So, we all want to decorate our homes in hues of fall, and we all want to lit our homes with beautiful colors of fall, inviting, romantic, and beautiful, making our home a place to live, love, and flourish. So, we try to bring a multitude of ideas so it become easy for you to choose for yourself or DIY these ideas. And we try to include a number of floral arrangements and number of decorative articles like planters or the pumpkins of different styles and vineyards of different colors and different contrasts and combinations and different lights, fairy lights, hanging lights, and they all look beautiful, amazing, and mesmerizing. And you can use the beautiful carpets or rugs, and you can customize them to write some beautiful messages for fall. And you can place candles or some types of lights in front of your home, and different type of hanging lights can also be used, and they can be matched in color with the type of flowers and other decor. And the colors of fall like yellow and saffron, they all look just amazing, and they give a beautiful view and feeling of harvest season, and they create a beautiful sense of dried and falling leaves, and you can add uh, different colors of furniture to your front porch, and this too can be decorated in the color of fall, and it will definitely make your home amazing and beautiful. And there are multiple DIYs which you can make to decorate your entrance, and you can decorate your door with them. You can make some floral wreaths, or you can bring some vineyards and decorate your walls and your doors with them, or you can decorate some outdoor lights in a scary manner, and you can cover them with a cloth, and you can make them look like a mummy. And there are so many ideas and you can use any of them to make your home look different. And you can add bats which you can make DIY uh, with paper or chart papers, or with styrofoam. You can make some bats and you can hang them, and they can create a look of flock of bats. Or you can use some LED lights to decorate your plants and your planters, and they will look amazing and beautiful. Fall in itself is a saffron or yellow shade, creating a sense of falling and dry leaves. So we tried to add as many as possible a picture of floral arrangement with these colors, and we added the pictures of pumpkins right in front of your porch, so you can create a beautiful effect of harvest, and you can make your home look beautiful. You can make some crows or bats, and these articles can be bought easily, and can be made DIY too. And even the white and purple shades can be added when decorating your home in fall colors. And spiders, spider webs, crows, cocks, they all can be added, and they are very easy to make with paper or chart papers. And you can make some scarecrows or some lights covered with white cloth and giving a scary look. This will make an amazing fall front porch decor. And rugs can be bought, and you can DIY them, and you can write beautiful messages on them. And the floral wreaths or larger candle stands, and you can put some LED candles in them. And you can also, if you want to make your home more scary, you can bring some skeleton and you can put it in front of your porch, and you can make it look more scary and wonderful too, because definitely it is part of fall and Halloween. I hope you like the ideas which we brought for you, and you are able to choose something from you. So please subscribe my channel and like my video, so in future too I can bring such beautiful and amazing ideas for you. Give it a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Thank you. And you can enjoy your fall with these beautiful ideas and have a beautiful and warm and cozy and full of love and romance with you. Thanks for coming to my channel, and thank you for watching and subscribing. These are just wonderful ideas, and you're going to make your fall amazing and mesmerizing. Thank you.